This one got hit in this left front corner. It's gonna get this cross piece, this plate, this upper left side tie bar piece. I got this left front corner all fit together. I have a Toyota Sienna here. This one got hit in this left front corner, and it's gonna get some new structure here. It's gonna get this cross piece that goes just like that, as well as this plate, and then also this upper left side tie bar piece. So pretty straightforward. A little bit of repair work on the door here, some scratches on the post from when the fender came back and slid over top of this. So I'll get all the structure cut out first, then I'll start fitting up my new pieces, fit up the fender and the headlight, and then get these pieces all welded in. So I realized that this top rail is just rolled in just a little bit. So I put my ram on there to make a light pull. It didn't need much. Now that's starting to fit up a lot better now. I got this left front corner all fit together. Got my headlight and my fender fitting correctly. Everything looks good. These brackets are all sitting right where they need to. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna pull the fender and the headlight back off, and I'm gonna get these pieces welded in, and then I'll put that upper tie bar piece on as well. I just about have this one wrapped up. I'm gonna give it to Eric. There's a little bit of glaze work that's gotta be done right here, and sand out these scratches and get this one primed up and over to our paint department so they can get it painted. And also our mechanic has to do suspension work on it. So I'm gonna dive into the next one.